Wait a minute. It's Chopper. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Y'all, struggle is real. Struggle is real. And all the hair stores are closed. So, hold up, wait a minute. This is what we resorted to. And it works, and it works, and it works. Okay. Moisturizer. What? Do you see how thick my hair is now? Do you see how thick it is right now? Oh my goodness. The volume, the luminous. We love to see it. Oh my goodness, y'all. All I did was put water and moisturizer. We almost there. Almost down. Almost done hairstyle number 1. Boom. Boom. What did I say? I got this because I knew my moisturizer would probably be done. I'm a goofball for real. Okay, hair food, come through, hair food. Okay, that's grand nasty. Come through, hair food. We love water, we love moisturizer, we love it. Y'all, wait, gotta fix my sweater. Y'all, hey, I look so cute. What you think about hairstyle 1? This is hairstyle number 1. It's an easy go-to. I love it. What y'all think? This is hairstyle number 2. Oh my goodness, y'all. I look like an 80s mom. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what kind of aesthetic I'm talking about with the sweater too? Oh my goodness. Who's that girl? Okay, this is cute. This is cute. You see how easy it is to switch up your hairstyle with just some moisturizer, a little bit of gel, and a comb. Obviously water. Okay, we're gonna switch it up again. Because my hair was already parted in the middle earlier. What y'all think? You like it? Middle part in 2 braids. You guys saw this in one of my other videos. A natural gang, period. The girl looks adorable. I love it. I love it so much. What y'all think? 2 braids, a bun, and hair out. So it's like half up, half down style with 2 braids. So this is hairstyle number 4. for natural hairstyles, and we got a few more to come. My shirt says blossoms, but my hair says bubbles. Y'all, look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. This has me wanting to get a new hairstyle every day, but I just be keeping my hair in a bun since we're inside. Oh my goodness, this is my favorite one. This is my favorite one. Definitely my favorite one. People keep asking me how I get my buns perfectly in place because they're perfect circles. Literally, just pat it. Just pat it until until you're satisfied with the results. The power puff girl.
What is this, honey?
To save the day, just in time. The Powerpuff Girls. You know what I mean? Because I look like Bubbles. She was actually my favorite Powerpuff Girl. Just saying, just saying. I have the same concept with the buns. Just fluff them to the degree you want, like how round you want them, what size you want them. So basically I just put an extra hair tie here and put it into a bun because I didn't feel like taking it out. This one I took it out and you can see my hair is slightly more sleek here than over here. That's fine. Since I was showing you guys a tutorial, I didn't want to like grab a bunch of gel and sleek it back with the scarf and everything. I want to show you that you can still do go-to styles without using a bunch of gel and sleeking it back. All I really use gel for is these two strands, putting it over here and a little bit here. What the white stuff you kept seeing was actually the smoothing balm. Oh my gosh, I am so cute. I am so cute. The first hairstyle, I did a middle part, and then I did a middle part with the braids. I thought about picking it out so there's actually no middle part. As you can see, there's no middle part, and then my braids are just out. People always say they get 70s, 80s aesthetic for my hairstyle, and I love it. I love it. That's a wrap, everyone. That was 9 different hairstyles that you can do on your 4C hair. Comment below which one was your favorite one. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and please, please, please hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload, because you know you can be expecting a new video every single week, especially on Sundays. I always upload on Sundays. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. I'm feeling a little cute or whatever. Might take a few TikToks. You shall see. And yeah, don't forget to follow all my other social media friends. Bye, Miss Kamumba out. just to fully capture my cuteness, I want to show y'all my full outfit. Okay, you see the chain, you see the cute sweater I just got, and then look, I added a little chain with my white jeans. We love to see it. It's so cute. And I only wore pink lip gloss that like matches it. Of course I'm wearing powder, highlight, eyeliner and everything, but yeah, girl looks so good. Too cute to be in quarantine, but she gonna stay in quarantine so we could stay safe, and that's on period. Okay, deuces. Look at the aftermath. Okay, it won't take me that long to clean, but like, y'all see this? Y'all see this? Natural hair ain't easy.